Alright, hello everyone. If you could all just bear with me, this is my first how-to video. But I thought I would show you exactly how to put together the masks that I am 3D printing. So, when you get the mask, it should hopefully come in this vacuum sealed bag with all of the necessary pieces and parts. And so, this is a small. I'm printing two different sizes, a small and a large. That's going to be marked on each bag. So once you get the bag, you're going to want to open it up. And inside of the bag is first, this is a gasket to hold the filter material on the mask. Here are your straps to hold the mask onto your face. Here is the filter material. It is 4 sheets, but it goes 2 and 2. And if you're interested in what type of filter material it is, here, excuse me, is the sterilization wrap that we're using. It was from a tip from someone at the Children's Hospital. So if you're interested, you want to learn more about the sterilization wrap, that's there. Here's the actual mask itself. This is a small. And here, finally, is the rubber gasket. So, what we'll do first is we will put this seal here inside of this run. Now, this is a little tricky the first couple of times you do it, but after some practice it works pretty well. And so what I like to do is I take sort of guide with this finger and push like this, and it sort of rolls right in. If you can see, it just sort of it's a little difficult with the camera going, but you just sort of work your way around here. And you can see here, this happens sometimes. It's not quite in, so you just have to go back and press it in. Make sure it's all the way in there. And you just keep going around the mask. Up at the top, I like to leave a little bit of sort of almost push up a little bit to give a little bit of extra tubing up there. As you come to the end, you'll notice, let's just get there. So, the end, you'll notice here it's a little long, and now that I purposely did. So, what you can do is you can slide the tubing back and to make space for it. So it gives you some wiggle room to make as close of a seal as possible. So if you look here, you'll see here it's not all the way down. So we will press and press and press some more. Okay, that looks pretty good. So that is about what you're trying to look for. Now, the filter material, the sterilization wrap. To put that on, you simply place this on top, and you use this ring adapter, and you press down like so, and there you go. You've got an airtight seal. And now, finally, for the straps, you can also, if you want, cut the extra material off of the sides here. So let's see here, the straps. So I've purposely made them twice as long because I found that just having one layer here wasn't enough. So what we do is we feed it through here if I can get there. Let's use a scissors. So actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the filter material off, put that to the side, and work on the straps. So if we go in this side and out, and then we take this other piece here, the other end of the same piece I should say, and we feed that in here like so. What we can do is bring these back, even it out a little, make sure that they're even, and you can use any type of knot here that you like. For this one I'll try just one of these. It's a little tricky with rubber gloves on, but hey. Okay, so now we have dual straps with the knot in the back, and you can do that also on the bottom here. So let me do that. In like so. And oops, helps to keep the mask in frame. And like so. And so it can get a little wily here, but this is unfortunately, straps like this are very hard to come by. They all come from China, so I have to do quite a bit of detective work to find these straps. So we'll do this again, like so. This one I like to tie a little shorter because it's going to go sort of around the base of your skull where your neck and your skull attach. So there we go. There's the bottom, and here is the top, and we'll put the filter back on. Let's see here. Blue and green, right? I've got 2 layers here, and down we go. Now, if you want to clean this mask, I recommend using either rubbing alcohol or really soap and water. The plastic doesn't handle high heats very well, so a dishwashing machine, perhaps on cold, could work. I haven't tried that, but the warm water may melt the mask or disform the mask. So there you go. And you should feel the seal. You'll see this paper go sort of in and out as you breathe in and out. So it should be a pretty good seal. So there's your how to put the mask together. Thanks.